Many of you guys might be wondering how to use ChatGPT on any smartphone because as you can see I am using it on my PC, but how to use it on any smartphone. So this is what I am going to teach you in this particular video. Stay tuned, let's get started. First of all, open any web browser. For this I am using the Chrome browser and simply search for ChatGPT here. So as you can see, I have searched for it. Open the first link, which is introducing ChatGPT. Click on it and here you would get into this kind of page. Simply tap on try GPT. Now you would get to this page and simply tap on sign up if you are new to the ChatGPT version. So simply enter your email address or you can use your Gmail as the sign up. So I'm using Gmail. So tap on it and select your Gmail ID. So here I am selecting it. So I have selected my account over here and it is loading here. So as you can see, the chat GPT has started working. Before that there is a very crucial process. So here's the process. As you can see, when you do this you have to verify your mobile number either by using WhatsApp verification or by SMS code verification. So this is how it looks like. Simply add the code into it and you would start using chat GPT. Ask anything to it. So the article link is given below in the description for more guidance. I hope you found the video useful. Like button is for you and be kind. Be the top 1%. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to BackDroid. Bye.